Okay, so this lesson's about A minor, the key of A minor, and I've got page 86 and 87 here. So the A minor scale is really like the C major scale, just shifted over. So the C major scale, which we already know, is all the white keys, C to C. All we're gonna do is dip down to A and play the same scale. And it's got a more kind of melancholy sound. The way they have it written on page 87 is the right hand is up here, left hand here. This is the natural minor scale. All the white keys, A to A. For the harmonic minor scale, we raise the 7th note to G sharp. You can see that here, harmonic minor, get to the 7th note, and the G is sharp. Notice it's called harmonic. It's because it's from the harmony, not the melody, but we'll play the scale anyway, you can hear it. It's not so much the scale that's used as the harmony. If we play the chords in the key, we have A minor, B, half diminished, C major, D minor, and if we go to E, it's E minor. But that's a 5 chord, and typically we raise the 3rd to make that major, and even put a 7th on there for what's called a 5/7. That takes us back to A. So the G sharp is less used in the scale and more in the harmony. I could put in the melody. Back to A. But really what's happening is when you're in the key of A minor, you're most likely going to see G sharps. And if you go to page 90, you can see on bar 3 in the left hand, there's a G sharp. So here's the etude in A minor, bar 90 and 91. The left hand has what's called an Alberti bass. It takes the chord, or any chord, 3 notes, and you play bottom, top, middle, top. Going on to bar 3, we're just playing that chord in this pattern. And then here you outline it with the 3rd finger, thumb, pinky. In the B section, the left hand goes to treble clef, C major. And then D, half diminished. And now it's back to bass clef, but not starting on your 3rd finger in the middle. It's a little tricky. And the right hand has just a 5-finger scale for the whole song. A minor. Then it goes up to C, the major, relative major. Shifts over to B position. And back to A. Put them together, it's like... both hands to C position. Right to B, left hand stays with the D. Both hands back to A position, but left hand's on the 3rd finger. Okay, so that's page 90, and then page 99, we have the chords over here, the broken chords actually, but in the key of A minor, just like we did in C and F and G, we had the 1, the 4, and the 5/7 chord. So A minor 1, 4 chord, which is a D minor, and the 5/7 G sharp. But there's another way you can play the 5-7, and that takes the G sharp out and puts a B in. And that's what this song does. The right hand actually plays the G sharp, D, E. So if you look here, A minor, broken chord, 1 chord, 4 chord, D minor, back to the A minor, broken chord, and here's the 5-7 where the right hand has the G sharp, but the left hand has the B. When we get down here, the third line, A minor, the left hand just crosses over to the A, back to a right hand chord. Left hand back down for a 4 chord, crosses over to the A, and back down right hand 4 chord. And then one more cross hand arpeggio at the end. So I'll demonstrate how this sounds. Okay, so A minor position, slowly, 4 chord, pedal change, 1 chord, pedal change, 5-7, pedal change. Pedal change every chord. 1, 4, 1, 5-7. 1, cross. 4, cross. 1, cross, chord, and a low A. Okay, there you have it. A minor.